In the industrial heart of Madrid, one company has stood as a pillar in the automotive sector for over 6 decades. Founded in 1960, Martinrea Honsel Spain is an aluminum foundry specialized in producing critical engine and structural components. The parts produced here allow no room for error. Engine blocks, transmission housings, rear suspension arms, subframes, each component must meet strict client specifications. At the core of this process lies a critical stage: quality inspection. In the past, inspections relied mainly on coordinate measuring machines. Although precise, they could only capture a limited number of points on a part. This partial view meant that potential anomalies could go undetected. To raise the standard, Martinrea Honsel Spain adopted a new approach: full part scanning, powered by high-speed equipment from Creaform. The key requirements were clear: freedom of movement, high accuracy, and a faster evaluation process. Today, every casting is scanned in detail, allowing inspectors to analyze even the most complex geometries. Tolerances range from 1.2 millimeters for overall geometry to 0.04 millimeters for tool calibration. All of this is verified before the production part approval process begins, ensuring that every component meets the client's exact specifications. This streamlined process now saves 30 minutes per part and enables the inspection team to identify defects on the spot with confidence. The scanning software, built for user efficiency, works seamlessly with Creaform's technology to support daily operations. Looking ahead, Martinrea Honsel Spain plans to expand this capability to larger surfaces, such as die cavities and frames, continuing to push the boundaries of precision and performance.